The Victoria Falls. So it starts from that end, stretches all the way, over a kilometer, a mile to Zambia. Look at that. Come to Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe, right? If you bring the camera up like that, when you see, when the mass media shows you this, you think, oh, there's no water in Victoria Falls, but actually that end is the Zambian side, and the main waterfalls at that end. So the media chooses where it wants to portray a picture or a story. They will take a picture of that and they say, oh, there's no water in Victoria Falls. Only that section they will tell you that there's no water in Victoria Falls. But in actual, the Victoria Falls is over a mile, and it's got its main falls, and it's got sections, and it's got seasons as well. So if the low season is the low season. So there's less water in the low season, and in the high season there's lots of water. So that's the Zambian side. The good side is the Zimbabwean side. That's if you want to see the Victoria Falls, come to the Zimbabwean side. Cataract. This is it shows you Victoria Falls, and the water is on the high tide now, and it's all rising up on the upper Zambezi. And welcome to Zimbabwe, welcome to Victoria Falls. And welcome to Victoria Falls, welcome to Zimbabwe, welcome to the World Heritage Site. This is Victoria Falls, and it stretches over a mile here. The water, the tide is up, it's raining. It's the only place that rains, one of the few places in the world that rains every day. And this is it, Victoria Falls. Tourism up, and we'll urge all nature lovers to come and see the Victoria Falls. This is the place to be, and this is nature's best. Look. Thank you for watching.